These are the KliKlamps from Bessey, and I absolutely love these clamps because they actually provide a second pair of hands for me. They are made out of lightweight magnesium, so they're light and durable, and they have a sliding shaft which allows that jaw to move to whatever size that you actually need. Once you've got it to the size that you need, pull the lever and that locks tightly into place with a force of 1200 Newton meters. To release, just pull the trigger and it releases straight away. So they're quick and easy to use. If I've got a project like this on the table and I need to clamp it down, I can just slide it into position, pull the lever. And you can basically go from either side. On the underside, pull it tight. The jaws have a large clamping area which helps prevent any damage to your material. If you remove the caps, you can see on the underside of the jaw there is grooves which allows for angular clamping. So if you've got a dowel stick, that'll sit in the actual grooves and that'll hold it neatly in the middle of the clamping jaws. That's strong and firm in place and is not rolling around, so now that you can carry on with your project without worrying about anything moving. One thing I do like about this clamp is the ability to gently apply the clamp so that I can hold something into position, pull the lever. Now I've got my hands free and I can just align it to exactly how I want it. Okay, so I've got a loose clamping and now I'm just going to finish off the clamp, and that allows me the full clamping force and I can't move that out the way. If you like this product information, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our channel where you'll get notifications of similar products coming out with all the tips and tricks.